Sige ko no, pag-pick ng letter tapos lang ako, unan niya na letter and sound. Ha? Oo, kuha. Sige. Sige. What letter is that? H. What letter is that? Letter H. Okay, another. Yan, what letter yan? What letter is that? J. Pero, J na? Is it a capital letter or the small letter? Anan? Small. Okay. Now, another letter din naman. It's letter I. Letter I. Unan siya. Sound ng letter I. Yan. Magahi. Ano ikaw? Yan. Very good. Now, another letter din naman. P. Yan. So, what letter is that? Letter I. Small letter. Ano yan? Small daw, capital. Very good. Now, pick the last one. Last letter. What letter is that? G. G for sound ng letter G. Good. Okay. Is that a capital letter or big letter? Capital or small? Small letter? Okay.